Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. This is just a quick product review video. Company sent me this little under cabinet mounted motion sensor light. Really, you could put it anywhere, closet, wherever you need some light. And I thought it would be a great handy little toolbox light just to be able to see all of my tools in here in the top section. This is a 2-pack and it does come with a charging cord. Doesn't come with an actual plug-in or a block. I've got lots of those, so it's not a big deal. Now it says to fully charge this on the first use. I already charged this up. It does have just the USB-C connector here at the end. So you just plug that in and plug that into a power block or to a computer to get that charged up for the first time. And it's just got this little strip of plastic on the lens. We can peel that off. The light itself is magnetic. Now it comes with 8 of these little stick-on pieces of metal here. So you can see that it lines up right there. It almost finds where it wants to be on the back of that, right about there. So you can peel and stick that underneath the cabinet if you need, but because I'm just going to put this right inside the toolbox lid, I won't need these. Now there's 3 working modes and stepless dimming. The first press is constant on. Now if you push the button again, you'll see this indicator blinks 6 times, 3 and then 3 again. So that's night mode. So of course it's too light in here right now. Maybe if I put it down in the dark here, there, you see it comes on. But I'll probably use this mostly on day mode, which is the 3rd mode. You just push that button a 3rd time, that light will, the little indicator light here comes on for 3 seconds, and then it will basically work as a motion activated light. So I could just put that up underneath the toolbox, and anytime there's motion, that will come on. Let me get this other one going here too. I don't know that I necessarily need to use both, but it came with 2, which is nice. So there you go. That's day mode again. That's the motion sensed. I love that they're magnetic, so you can just put them anywhere. I might even put them. Yeah, they'll actually stick underneath the ledge there. Let me go turn off the shop light so you can get a better view of what they look like. Okay, so those went off on their own, and I have the shop light turned off. But if I just wave my hand underneath here, look at that. They just come right on. You can see everything inside the toolbox. You can kind of play around with where you want to put them. But that's a nice shot right there. If I put them like that, that's a little intense. But these also do have stepless dimming, so you can just long press that button, just hold it down. And you can see, well, it actually goes brighter. I didn't realize I didn't have it on the brightest setting. And then just long press, hold that down, and that'll dim. I'm sure I'll probably just keep it on the highest setting. It's even brighter than I expected. Kind of like how it sits right up underneath that edge. I just have it right on the top edge of the toolbox. I don't know if this one's on the brightest setting here too. Let's just check real quick. Oh, there it goes, even brighter. Wow, pretty cool. I'm very happy with that, and that's probably where I'll leave it. Now here's just a quick shot inside the toolbox. I have my shop light on. Again, you can see for the most part in there, but you just wave your hand and it really just lights up the area. You can really see the numbers on the sockets better and see really what you're looking for. Something that I wasn't necessarily looking for, because again, I was usually just using one of my work lights. I use a lot of these flex head work lights and they come in real handy. I use these underneath the hood quite often with cars, and sometimes I'll just have them up here on my toolbox. But you know, I'll turn that on and then I'll forget and then it ends up dying. So this is pretty nice to have these be on the motion activation. I'm real happy with that setting. That's probably where I'll use them. So when the batteries get low, this little indicator on here will flash red. It says for 9 seconds. So I can just leave them on, and then when that red light starts flickering, that's when I'll know I need to charge it. I know this is just a quick little review video, but hopefully you find it helpful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. I'll get a link in the description where you can pick up some of these lights as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.